Hi, my name is Brian Duffy, and in this problem we're going to go over depreciation annually using pre-1981 purchase methods. And the practice problem we're going to use is, suppose you want to open a food truck and find a truck that costs $40,000. You purchase that, and after 8 years plan on selling the truck for $10,000, which is your salvage value. Calculate the yearly depreciation on the truck using pre-1981 purchase methods. So the first method we're going to use is the straight line method, which is pretty straightforward. Give the equation of annual depreciation is equal to the purchase cost minus the salvage value over the number of years depreciation. All of those variables were in our original problem. The purchase cost is $40,000, salvage value of $10,000, and depreciation is 8 years. So annual depreciation is simply $40,000 minus $10,000 divided by 8, and you get a value of $3,750 per year. So this is pretty straightforward, and it's usually all the numbers you get in the initial question. For ISYE, which is the sum of years digits method, it's a little more complicated, and it is the depreciation right here is equal to the fraction, which we'll find, times the initial cost minus salvage value. So the fraction is pretty simple to find. You simply take the number of years of depreciation, in this case years 1 through 8, and add those together to get a total of 36. So you sum all those years together, and that is the denominator, and then in the numerator you have the amount of years until the depreciation ends. So in year 1 you have 8 years until the end of depreciation, and in year 8 you have 1 year till the end. So as you see, years are right here on this column, the fraction with the denominator of 36, and then the numerator of the amount of years left of depreciation here, going all the way down to 136. And if you notice, these all add up to 1. Which we want because we want all the depreciation values to add up to the $30,000 we know we're going to lose on the investment just from salvage value. So this column is simple also. It's initial minus salvage, so 40,000 minus 10,000 is 30,000. And again, run those all the way through to the end. The depreciation amount is simply this fraction times the initial minus salvage, and throw it in your calculator, and you get these values right here, 6,666 all the way to 833. If you add these up, it will equal $30,000. So this is all of these times $30,000 added together equals $30,000. So this is your answer for your test. Next is the DB method. We're using 200% method right now, so the multiplier will be times 2. So in this, it's depreciation is equal to multiplier divided by n times the book value, where the book value is the previous book value, the previous year, minus depreciation from that year. So we're going to throw up the chart for this. So we have years on the left, the rate, which is multiplier divided by n in this column. So we have multiplier of 2 and n of 8. So we just do 2 divided by 8 equals 0.25. Carry that all the way through to the bottom. Depreciation is previous year's book value times that rate, so $40,000, because the book value in year 0 was $40,000. So you multiply that times 2.8 or 2.25, and you get a value of $10,000. So it depreciates $10,000 first year, and now you have a book value of $30,000, which you multiply times 0.5, you get $7,500, and so on and so forth, until you hit a little hiccup around year 5. So you notice if you multiply 0.25 times 12,515, you get a value of about $3,000, which you do not want, because this book value, if you subtract 3,000 from this, will go below 10,000, which we know is impossible because the book value in year 8 will be $10,000 because you are selling the truck for $10,000. Therefore, it has to end with $10,000 down here. So this has to be $10,000. So in order to calculate depreciation, you just take this 12,515, subtract the 10,000 that you know it will always be able to sell for, and you get $2,515.63. Depreciation year 5, and then 0 in these 3 years, because it'll never go below $10,000. So I hope this video helped you guys learn some new topics.